Hello, and welcome to this important lesson on quality control and assurance in 3D printing. As an aspiring 3D printing business owner, ensuring the consistent quality of your 3D printed products is crucial to building a successful and sustainable venture. In this video, we'll explore the key principles and best practices to help you maintain the highest standards in your 3D printing operations. The importance of quality control. Delivering high-quality 3D printed parts is essential for satisfying your customers and building a positive reputation in the industry. Inconsistent or poor quality output can lead to customer dissatisfaction, returned products, and ultimately, the failure of your business. By implementing robust quality control measures, you can minimize defects, improve efficiency, and ensure that your 3D printed goods meet or exceed your customers' expectations. Establishing quality standards. The first step in effective quality control is to define your quality standards. This involves determining the acceptable tolerances for dimensions, surface finish, mechanical properties, and other critical characteristics of your 3D printed parts. Consider factors such as the intended use of the product, industry regulations, and customer requirements when setting these standards. Inspection and testing procedures. Once you have established your quality standards, you'll need to implement thorough inspection and testing procedures to validate your 3D printed parts. This may include visual inspections, dimensional measurements, and mechanical testing, depending on the complexity of your products. Invest in the necessary tools and equipment and train your team to conduct these quality checks consistently. Process monitoring and optimization. Continuous monitoring of your 3D printing process is essential for maintaining quality. Closely track key process parameters, such as temperature, layer height, and extrusion rate, and make adjustments as needed to ensure consistent output. Additionally, regularly analyze your process data to identify opportunities for optimization, which can help you improve efficiency and reduce waste. Implementing quality assurance measures. In addition to quality control, you should also establish quality assurance measures to proactively prevent defects and ensure the ongoing reliability of your 3D printed products. This may include implementing statistical process control, conducting design reviews, and implementing preventive maintenance on your 3D printing equipment. Continuous improvement, quality control, and assurance in 3D printing is an ongoing process. Regularly review your quality management system, gather feedback from customers, and make continuous improvements to your processes. This will not only help you maintain high standards, but also position your business for long-term growth and success. Remember, maintaining quality is not just a box to check off, it's a fundamental pillar of a thriving 3D printing business. By prioritizing quality control and assurance, you'll be well on your way to delivering exceptional 3D printed products and building a loyal customer base. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into the cost analysis of your 3D printing venture. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to ensure you don't miss any of the valuable lessons in this comprehensive course.